One of the most fascinating things about traveling around the world is discovering that people don't all worry about the same risks. What keeps a family awake at night in one country may be completely different from what concerns a family somewhere else. And that is exactly why insurance looks different around the world. Welcome back to Insurance Capsule. My name is Chaya. Take Japan for example. Japan is known for its innovation, its beautiful culture, and remarkable resilience. But it is also a country that experiences frequent earthquakes. For many people there, earthquake protection isn't just another insurance product. It is a practical way of protecting their homes, their businesses, their savings, and years of hard work from a risk that is very real. Because when you live with a certain risk every day, preparing for it becomes part of life. Now, let us take a trip to India. For millions of families, farming is more than an occupation. It is their source of income. It is how children are sent to school. It is how families put food on the table. So when floods, droughts, or pests threaten a harvest, the impacts can be devastating. That is why crop insurance, otherwise known as agricultural insurance, has become an important safety net for many farmers. Not because they expect disaster, but because they understand that nature can be unpredictable. Then there is South Africa. One form of insurance that has become particularly important for many families is funeral insurance. At first, it sounds unusual, right? Especially to someone from another part of the world. But when you think about it, it makes perfect sense. The loss of a loved one is already emotionally difficult. The financial burden that often follows can make that period even harder. Funeral insurance helps families focus on what truly matters during those moments, rather than worrying about how expenses will be paid. And then we come home to Nigeria. Here, many insurance conversations revolve around motor insurance, health insurance, and protecting businesses. And to be fair, it is easy to see why. A car accident can happen when least expected. A medical emergency can arise without warning. A thriving business can face challenges from fire, theft, accidents, or other unforeseen events. For many Nigerians, these are the risks that feel closest to home. These are the risks that can affect daily life, family stability, and financial security. When you step back and look at these countries together, a powerful pattern begins to emerge. Insurance is never really about policies, paperwork, or certificates. It is about people protecting what matters most to them. In Japan, that may be protection against earthquakes. In India, it may be a farmer protecting a harvest. In South Africa, it may be a family preparing for life's most difficult moments. In Nigeria, it may be protecting a vehicle, safeguarding health, or securing a business that took years to build. The lesson is simple. Insurance reflects the risk people face every day. The risk may differ from one country to another, but the reason remains the same. People want to protect things they cannot afford to lose. And the better we understand those risks, the better prepared we become for whatever tomorrow may bring. This is Insurance Capsule. Do not forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe if this has been insightful. See you on the next episode.